Yo.
Okay, so that was the end of our story. So here is turtle and fish laughing. And it says, make connections. Tell how turtle and fish work together to trick Anansi.
So I have a question. Why they didn't have a next page saying Anansi, blah, blah, blah. He knew having to write and he never did that again. Ever after.
Yeah, it would have been good to add a little extra there, right? Okay, so the turtle and the fish cooperated, right, to trick Anansi.
Yes.
So we know what their trick was, right? So we don't have to talk too much about that. The second one, think of a time when you and a friend solved a problem. Why was it easier to work together? So you gave me the example of when you had to lift your friend up, right? So you used a lot of...
That's why, like, we are playing a play, like, only a few friends, like me and the two friends and one extra friend, I don't know, for helping to just pick it up.
Okay. So it's many times it's, better to work with people. Okay, so make predictions. Okay, so we've seen this word plenty of times. So when you predict, you kind of guess what's going to happen, right? So use clues in the story to guess or predict what happens next. Was your prediction right? Read on to check it. Change it if it's not right.
No, because first it doesn't think like what I think. I thought it was pigs out something like that in the water, but actually it's not.
Right.
To make my prediction like super wrong.
Yeah, and we have to remember that our predictions don't always have to be right? It's okay to, make a prediction if it's wrong. It's totally fine. You can just change it. So you may have made a prediction about Anansi at the beginning of Anansi Learns a Lesson. What clues on page 103 help you guess what might happen? So let's see what these clues are. It says, I predicted that Anansi would eat the bananas. I read that Anansi was hungry and didn't want to share. He decided to play a trick on Turtle. I will read on to check my prediction. Okay, so yeah, so that this happened and that poor Turtle, they played a trick on Turtle, right? But think, Turtle got back at Anansi.
Yeah. Let's fight Turtle.
Yeah. Okay. So let's continue.